A day in the life of a real estate agent. I am a morning person, so it was up 4:30, grabbed some coffee, and then it was time to do my gratitude journal. Starting the day with gratitude, I believe, is so important because it just gets you in the right headspace of appreciation as soon as you wake up. Next, off to the gym. I like to get my workout in early in the morning. Today was leg day. It was brutal as usual, but gotta do it. In the morning, I also read my daily Christian devotional. It gets me in the right frame to tackle anything that comes my way in the daytime and appreciate everything that God does for us, which is so much.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Today, I have a very busy day in the world of real estate, so I figured I'd take you guys along with me. We've got showings, we've got home inspection, I've got to get my fingerprints done for my broker's license, and a whole bunch of other stuff just like thrown in between. So I thought it'd be a good eventful day for you to see a busy day in the life of real estate. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more videos like this of like the actual realistic life of a real estate agent, then let me know in the comments below and I can make more videos like these. And if this is your first time that you are ever seeing me on YouTube, then hi, my name is Carys. I'm a real estate agent, and make sure you subscribe. I post a lot of content with real estate, social media, and self-development. All right, let's do this. Okay, so I just changed. I'm ready to go now. I have a long drive and a long day today, so I'm wearing flats and I've got my outfit ready to go, and we are rolling. I'm just heading out to my virtual showing. It's in West Palm Beach. They are out of state, and so they want to buy an investment property down here, and so I do virtual showings where I go on FaceTime, show them around, and then also video the property so they have it to look at later as well. So I'm heading there now. I will show you a clip once I get to the property.
So this property was just down the street from downtown West Palm Beach. So it seemed great location-wise, and the pictures looked stunning. But then I got there and I looked around.
Okay, so I just got done doing this virtual showing for my clients, and it was done as a flip. And so they bought it just a couple months ago, and then they flipped it, and now they've got it on the market. And it was done so badly. Like, I can't believe it. It was so, like, I'm gonna put some clips in so you can see it, but the work that was done was obviously way too rushed. The quality was shocking. So I was like, obviously this is, you know, your house, you're buying for your investment. However, my opinion, don't do it, don't do it. So they value my opinion as a professional, which is good, because that job was way too rushed for a flip. Like, the quality is shocking. Everything's wonky and crooked, and the flooring just doesn't even feel solid. It was just bad.
I mean, come on. This wall is wiggly. Like, everything was crooked. The floor didn't even feel stable as I was walking on it. It was crazy.
So anyway, back on the hunt, keep looking, and we'll find them the perfect place for their investment property. But this one, not it. So now I'm gonna go fill up my tank because I need gas, and then I'm gonna head up to my home inspection for a house I'm on a contract for a buyer, and then we'll see where the day takes us. All right, bye.
This is one of the houses I have under contract now. It's a beautiful lakefront home. It has a lovely lanai. It's so peaceful out the back of there. And I made a new friend, Buddy.
Just finished with the home inspection. Everything went well. It is now about 2:30. I'm hungry, so I'm probably gonna have to tap into my protein bar because I got a little bit of a drive home, and then I've got to do some work, send an addendum over, and then I gotta go get my fingerprints done for my broker's license. So I should be taking that test soon so I can be a real estate broker. So gotta get the fingerprints done, so I'm gonna head home. I got some work to do. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go do my fingerprints. All right.
Miss Faith just had surgery all down her neck, and so she has to wear a scarf and a t-shirt so she doesn't scratch it. Sent over my addendum, and then I hopped onto the Real Academy website. We just moved our entire group from EXP over to Real Broker, and it was the best decision. Their mission, vision, and values just aligned with ours. These are some of the classes that they do, and they're all on Zoom, which is awesome. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to learn more about joining Real Broker with us. Time to head off to do fingerprints. It is raining, shocker, it's Florida in the summertime. We went to our go-to place for dinner, and I recommend everyone have a go-to spot because all the staff, the management, the regulars, like they know us there. So it's a great thing for business. Got home and it was time to prep for a listing appointment that I have tomorrow. I like to provide a packet that's a guide for the sellers and be ready to roll.
Okay, so we got back from dinner. I had some work to do, so it's now almost 9 o'clock. I just took Faith out, so she's like tired now. I'm gonna relax for probably 30 to 45 minutes and then go to bed. I'm a morning person, as you probably saw from the start of the video, so I like to go to sleep earlier and wake up earlier. So I've got all my stuff done. I feel ready for tomorrow for the listing appointment, and we're gonna go kill it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this of like realistic day of lives of real estate agents, then let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.